In this video, I am going to show you how to add text mask in an Android device using KineMaster application. Let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, let's tap this biggest circle in here in the middle with a plus sign in there. So tap that, and from here you can select which ratio you wanted to use, but most of the time the ideal one is this one. 16:9 for YouTube videos. So let's try and use that. From here we are going to select media, so tap media and background and tap the black one there. So as you can see, it's right there. Okay, so let's tap check, or let's tap the check mark, and from here we are going to tap player and select text. Okay, let's see, we're going to type text mask and tap OK. And so we can drag this one as big as we want. You can always adjust that later. And let's change the font. The thicker the better. So let's tap that, and from here you can select which one you want to use, or if you click this one, there are other options also on here. So the bigger, the thicker, the better. So let's just go back to here, and let's say we're going to select this one, Sniglet. Okay, let's select that and tap the check mark right there. And here we're going to drag this one as big as we want. Okay, maybe that should be good. Okay, there you go. And you can again move this around as you want. And we're going to change the font to green. So this is the current color of the font is white. So tap that and select the green. Actually, if you can scroll it up, so you will see there are greens here. So I recently used it, that's why it's up there. So let's tap that, and now it's green, and let's tap check. Okay, now we have a green color of our font. Now you can always, you can also add animation if you want to. So for example, we're going to add in animation. And from here you can always play around whatever type you want. Let's say, for example, something like that, or you can always scroll it up and select the one you want, or drop, something like that. Let's say we are going to select this one, Converge. Okay, there you go. And let's to go back, just click this one in animation. And from here, let's say we're going to add an out animation. So let's tap this one. And we're going to scroll this up. Let's say we're going to select scale up, so it should show like that at the end. Okay, I think we're good. So let's tap out animation and just tap the check mark also over there. And I think we are good. So we're going to export this one. Click this one right here and export. So as much as possible, as export this one not lower than 1080p. So let's just stick to this one, and now let's export, and there it is, and it's done. There you go. Now let's go back. Let's go back, and okay. So from here, I do have a sample video in here, this one. So let's open this up, and let's open it. Tap that, and this is our sample video. Okay, there it is. Okay, and let's just go back. Okay, from here, let's tap layer and select media, the very top one, and select export. And this should be the one we just did. There you go. So that's the one. Now we're going to drag this one. You can it's up to you. It's your choice. Like in my opinion, it's good if you cover the whole like screen there. So something like that. Okay. So from here, we are going to scroll this up, and you will see chroma key. Click that, and as you can see, it is currently disabled. Let's enable this one. Tap that one to turn it on. And if we're going to play, so just tap the check mark right there. And if we're going to play our video, it should show like that. There you go. Anyway, you can also move this the effect to wherever you want. It's the same thing with the iMovie. You can just click, so tap and drag it to wherever you wanted that effect to show up. For example, let's put it in the middle, and it should show. So if we're going to play this one, it should show like that. Okay, so something like that. Okay, and that's it for today. And again, that's a text mask effect in an Android device using KineMaster. Thank you for watching. Till next time.